Morning folks, you join me on the third one. Got a rope up in the tree again, straight through to the winch wire. The truck's parked up in the track again, so without further ado, hopefully this time we will drop straight down through there. Might catch those two small ones in the middle, but it'll be down. So here we go folks. I'm just going to tension it up. I've put a fall in it, tension it up, and away we go. Let's see if I can get this one on film for you again. Let's see how we go. Tighten it down. Right, here we go. Saw's been playing up a bit, so come on baby. That is perfect. Right where I wanted it. Through the goalposts. Happy days. Right. I won't bore you with a tidy up. Oh, it's a relief when they're down. Perfect, straight through the middle, just where I wanted it. See you on the next one, folks.